Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ryzeu Harismayanti. In this video, I would like to share to you how to solve math logic problem. Later, I have one problem and we will work it out together. Let's get started. This is the problem that we'll solve. Let's see. In a room, there are only two types of people, namely type 1 and type 2. Type 1 people always tell the truth and type 2 always lie. You give a fair coin to a person in that room without knowing which type he or she is from and tell them to toss it and hide the result from you till you ask for it. Upon asking, the person replies the following. The result of the toss is head, if only if I'm saying the truth. Which of the following option is correct? A. The result is head. B. The result is tail. C. If the person is of type 2, then the result is tail. D. If the person is of type 1, then the result is tail. From the case, we know that type 1 people always truth and type 2 people always lie. To solve this problem, let's see this statement. This statement called the propositional logic, and we'll make assumption from there. Let P equal to result of the toss is head and Q equal to I'm saying the truth. In the propositional logic, there is word if only if. If only if means that the propositional logic is the conditional statement. And then we should make the truth table of the conditional statement. So this is the truth table of the conditional statement. Because in the problem we're talking about two types of people, that is type 1 and type 2, we need to consider these two cases separately. The first case for type 1 people and the second case for type 2 people. We will start consider from type 1 people. If type 1 people receive a fair coin and upon asking him, he replies the result of the toss is head, if only if I'm saying the truth. Now, we know that wherever he's replying, he's actually true, because type 1 always tell the truth. Therefore, P be conditional Q has to be true. Now, this statement can be true if P is true and Q is true, or P is false and Q is false. As we know, Q equal to I'm saying the truth. If Q is false, means that I'm lying. Now, as we know too, type 1 of people always tell the truth. So, this combination incorrect. As Q cannot be false, Q has to be true. Now, if Q is true, then P also has to be true. And then, P is true means that the result of the toss is head. So, the result from the first case is head. Next, we will continue to the second case. The second case is about type 2 people. If type 2 people receive a fair coin and upon asking him, he replies the result of the toss is head, if only if I'm saying the truth. As we know that wherever he's replying, he's actually false, because type 2 people always lie. Therefore, P be conditional Q has to be false. This statement can be false if P is true and Q is false, or P is false and Q is true. Now, think about it. Q cannot be true when we considering about type 2 people, because type 2 people always lie. So, this combination is incorrect. Let's consider the first combination. if Q is false and then P is true. P is true means that the result of the toss is head. Now we can conclude that the result of the second case is the result of the toss is head. From the explanation, it is obtained the result for the first case is head, and also the result for the second case is head. So, the final conclusion or the answer for the question is A. The result is head. Finally, we have finished a problem about mathematical logic. I hope this video can help you in understanding or solving mathematical logic problem. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Keep spirit and stay healthy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.